we're about to go shoot. It is Saturday. We always shoot on Saturdays for whatever reason. Basically, I already have all my outfits ready. I just have to put on makeup, and Andrew is out playing disc golf with his friends at 8 a.m. on a Saturday. I don't know.
Dude, that thing's so dangerously close to the edge. She said she wanted me to drive.
Yeah, because you're rude and went and got breakfast without me this morning.
I woke up bright and early. What can you, like...
I woke up bright and early too.
If you got up as early as me, you would have had plenty of time.
I literally got up when you got up.
Tell them why you mad. Tell them.
I'm done.
It's Halloween, so we're like this close to those Halloween puns being over. I'm sorry to all the ladies out there that love them, but like...
I'm not mad about it. And I love everyone's Halloween post, but I'm also ready for that to be over with. No offense.
Yeah. Back to your regularly scheduled program.
Yeah, exactly.
We're actually traveling through this parking garage right now. Trying to get to the top. It's almost there. And apparently there's a cool wall that we drive 15 minutes in a parking garage to find. Well, we have we just have to walk up there.
We are currently on top of a Trader Joe's parking lot. Andrew is vlogging. I am started vlogging.
Show us the wall.
Here's the wall.
Wow. It's not?
We'll go over there. I need you to model for me.
This one's for you, Instagram.
Yeah, it's really not that bad. What was that? Is that the flamingo pose?
That was just triangles.
Triangles.
You know what I love? When we find a location.
Why are you zoomed in so far in my face? My God.
I love when we find one location that we get to shoot 2 looks at, because...
Why? Because you want to spend less time with me?
I spend all day, every day with you. Relax, woman.
Badass outfit.
Let's see it.
Look at the chain.
Oh,
Pretty badass.
Shit.
Well, we just got kicked out of our last location.
Yeah, some douchebag security guard. He was like, oh, you can't be on this side of the parking lot.
I said, yeah, I thought cars couldn't go through there, not people. But okay.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Douchebag.
Stupid. We are in Plaza Midwood. It is a really, really cool area in Charlotte. There's always like, you know, people doing cool shit. We got live music out here. People are eating outside. There's like a million really awesome restaurants around here. And
kind of just showing a parking lot right now, my bad.
But there's a ton of really cool walls, so it's always really good for us because there's so many good places for us to shoot. So
yeah.
Ooh, it is sunny out here.
You try to look at that thing and it's...
I know. So we are actually behind a Chinese food restaurant. They have this really cool orange wall. We have shot at it a couple times at this point. We're just hoping we don't get in trouble because it says no loitering and no soliciting.
We're gonna loiter under the no loitering sign. So
we'll see how it goes. This is what it's like to have a Jeep. You're just like this the entire time. Anyway, we just went and got Beulah's. We honestly get Beulah's like every weekend, usually on Saturday. Andrew always has to eat fries in the car, which drives me insane because he always takes them.
Why not?
Because you always take them from the one that somehow ends up being my fries, and then I miss out on fries.
Well, this one can be yours. It has a pink hair on it already, so.
So we get French fries. They have the best French fries ever. And then there's a fried chicken sandwich in here. I'll show you after. But it's our favorite restaurant in Charlotte, so if you are ever in Charlotte, you have to stop and get a chicken sandwich at Bossy Beulah's. So if you ask me, the worst part of shooting is that. Trying to get all of this stuff out of the car, and usually we try and do it all in one trip because we're overachievers. But
always
today
gets packed neatly, but
Yeah, it doesn't always end up back the way it was packed, which is usually the issue. Back home, I'm in comfy clothes because it's Saturday and this is what we do on Saturdays. Actually, I got this last thrift vlog, if you watched the last one. We had to get extra bossy sauce in the fridge because we always ask for extra. And this is what our Saturday is about to consist of. This is Beulah's in all her glory. Chicken sandwich, French fries, bossy sauce. That's that.
$25.
Of pure goodness. Remy is also excited. It is officially time for us to say goodbye and go eat. It was fun.
Bye.
Good times.
Bye.
Let's do it again soon. Muggsy says bye.
We're just one big happy family. And Griffin hates me. And Lola just wants to run away. Look at them, they kiss each other.
Poor cats. Look at Lola.
Be gone.
She's out.